First, install the latest Blink app on your Android phone and sign in to your Blink account.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
Open the Blink app, tap Add Device, and select your Blink camera model from the list. Next, scan the QR code on your camera. If scanning doesn't work, you can enter the device serial number manually. For compatible wireless Blink cameras, set up the sync module first. Some models, like the Mini and wired floodlight, don't require one. During setup, your Android phone may connect to the temporary Blink network. Tap Join or Keep Connection when prompted. Now select your home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and tap Join to connect your Blink system. Once the connection finishes, your camera will be added to the Blink app. Tap Done to complete setup. Finally, open Live View to make sure your Blink camera is connected and streaming properly to your Android phone. That's it. Install Blink, add your camera, connect Wi-Fi, and test Live View. Your Blink camera is now ready.